Hi everyone! Today we're going to do the installing of HP DeskJet 2320. Let's begin. Normally they do not come with cable, with USB cable, so you have to purchase it separately. This USB cable is for your printer. This head, you can see the head. Okay. And then this one is for the laptop or for your desktop USB. Okay, where are you gonna put it? Behind the printer. It's in this slot. Okay, just plug it in, and there you are. Now, this one is for the electric. Of course, it is provided by factory. Right. That one, you just plug it there. So, that is ready as that. Now, we will put also the ink. How to do that? Let's remove this tape here. And the tape there. You will open it here. Of course, we must plug it first to power unit so that it will move the slot for ink. So, now it is ready. Let's just close it and we'll put it in its place. It's not heavy at all. It is good because it is for printer. Okay, and for scanning. I made this one for scanning my documents so that I could put them in, store them, and file them. And at least if I lose my documents, I have it stored. Alright, let's go now and plug it. Now it's blinking here. It indicates that there is no paper inserted at all and no ink. So let's just insert the paper, pull it out, and then the paper, stand ready there, and we'll put the ink. About the ink, I have opened it already, and this is for black cartridge. Just remove it, open it. You could use the gloves so that you won't get the ink in your hand, and just pull this for security, and then we will insert it in this it's best for you to see it. Now the ink slot is in the middle, so let's start inserting the ink. The black one is says the right side. How you hold it? Like this. Okay. And then just insert it there until you hear the tick. Now let's do also the colored one. This is the colored one. Comes also with the printer. Let's remove the tape and let's hold it like that. Insert it inside, the very inside, until you hear the tick. Now it's ready. Close it, and then you are ready to print.